How to track your stolen phone. You reach for your phone, and it's gone. Not in your pocket, not on the table, not in your bag. You search everywhere. Nothing. Then it hits you. It's stolen. Panic sets in. Your photos, your messages, your apps, your data, all inside that one device. But here's the good news. A stolen phone can often be tracked if you act fast. Let's break it down. First, don't panic, because modern smartphones are built with recovery systems. Hidden, silent, always ready. But they only work if you use them correctly. Step 1. Use your phone's built-in tracking system. If you use Android, go to Find My Device by Google. If you use iPhone, use Find My by Apple. From another phone, tablet, or computer, log into your account, and you may see your phone's location on a map in real time. If it's nearby, you can make it ring, even if it's on silent. This helps if it was misplaced or hidden. If it's moving, do not chase blindly. Your safety matters more than the device. Instead, monitor the location and note where it stops. Step 2. Lock your phone remotely. Both Android and iPhone allow this. You can lock the screen, display a message, add a contact number, so whoever finds it can reach you without accessing your data. Step 3. Enable Lost Mode. On iPhones, Lost Mode does 3 things. Locks the device, disables Apple Pay, stops notifications from revealing private info. On Android, Secure Device does something similar. Your data stays protected, even if the phone is in someone else's hands. Step 4. Check location history. Sometimes, live tracking fails, but history remains. Android users can check location timeline. iPhone users can check last known location. This shows where the phone was before going offline. A major clue. Step 5. Erase your data if necessary. If recovery looks unlikely, protect yourself. Use Remote Wipe. This deletes photos, messages, apps, saved passwords, personal data. It's better to lose a phone than lose your identity. Step 6. Contact your network provider. They can block your SIM, prevent calls, disable mobile data. This stops misuse. Step 7. Track using IMEI. Every phone has a unique IMEI number. You can find it on the phone box or purchase receipt. Report it to your network provider and law enforcement. They can blacklist it, so it cannot be used, even with a new SIM. Step 8. Report to the police. Provide IMEI, last known location, time of theft. This increases chances of recovery, especially if tracking shows a fixed location. Step 9. Check linked devices. Your phone may still be connected to email, cloud storage, social media. Log out remotely from all active sessions. Prevent unauthorized access. Step 10. Monitor account activity. Watch for unknown logins, password reset attempts, suspicious alerts. Change passwords immediately. Start with email, banking apps, cloud accounts. These are the most critical. Important. Never attempt recovery alone. If tracking shows a location, inform authorities. Do not confront suspects. Personal safety comes first. Now, prevention for the future. Turn on location tracking, remote lock, auto backup, strong passcodes, biometric security. Because recovery only works if these were enabled before the theft. So tracking a stolen phone is possible through account tracking, remote lock, IMEI blocking, network support, and quick action. The faster you respond, the higher the chance of recovery, because your phone is not just a device. It's your digital life, and protecting it means protecting everything inside. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more simple breakdowns of everyday technology, and click the next video to discover how to make your phone impossible to track by hackers. Because the invisible world inside your phone is always working.